Guys, in this video I will show you how to create navigation slide bar in SwiftUI. I just changing this text to label followed by name and system image of book. Here I make the course name and this title and system image of book. So it created image followed by title. I'm going to be make list view and open and close bracket. Just cut this one and paste here. Now I'm making the list of item. So I just created the list item. Now I'm going to be make navigation view. To make navigation view, just type navigation view and open and close bracket. You can cut and paste this here. You can also set navigation title like toolbar title. Set navigation title. Here you can change your name like my title. Now I'm navigating course 1 to next page. When I click this one, I just going to be move next page. To make that, we need to create one page. I just already created the simple page of course with simple text view. So our page name is course. I just going to be navigate this one, first one. To navigate another page, navigation link followed by designation and press enter, and here you have to use course name. Course is our new page and here is the label. So here we have to give this label name. I just going to be render this one. After adding navigation link, I got this navigation icon. When I click this one, it navigating to another page. In this page, I just going to be make some modification like navigation title, my course 1. I just rerun this code. I just click here and resume this one. And now I just going to be navigate to another page. I got this my course 1. So like this you can do navigation for remaining item. Just copy this one and paste here, and I just changing this one. So like this you can navigate one page to another. I just showing this output in some emulator. So here is our page 1. I just clicking this and navigate to another page, and I'm get back to previous page.